Hello again, everybody. This is Dinami Wolf, back with some more Mother 3. And there is surprisingly a lack of music here. So I'm gonna fill in the background for the time being with Mariachi. Shit. Okay, well, Mariachi's still going, so let's try and get out of jail. The lock is rusted, the lock is rusted, the lock is rusted, the lock is rusted. I wonder if it's still rusted. No problem here. Okay, I guess it's not rusted. So can I open it? The lock is rusted. Well, somebody let me out! No problem here. This appears to have been unused for a long time. Yeah, it's only used when somebody beats the shit out of 2 people. Somebody let me out! I'm lonely. Hello? Okay, I know something's supposed to... There he is. It's Alex. Hey, Alex. Dad, it's me, Alex. Yeah, I know. It's right there in your name box. I told Caleb to come too, but he's been crying at Mom's grave all this time. Shouldn't you be? What, you don't care that your mom is dead? You heartless little bastard. Dad, I'm gonna leave this apple here. The core might be hard, but the core might be too hard to eat, but be sure you eat it. Something tells me the key is in there. I'm gonna get stronger. I'm gonna get so strong even Dragos won't stand a chance against me. Dad, Alright. I don't want to eat the core. Yeah. Guccio got the apple. Well, guess this is now a good time. Oh, my teeth! Inside the apple, there was a hand file. Don't you mean a nail file? I don't believe there's anything called a hand file. Whatever. No problem. What the fuck am I supposed to use the file for then, huh? Do I use it on the door? The lock is rusted. Use the hand file to break the lock? Why not? Two days later. The hand file became unusable. Hey, there's music again! You can turn off the mariachi now. Now we just need some death metal. I'm kidding, we don't need death metal. This is death metal enough. Alright. So wait a minute, how did that guy expect me to get out? He said to stop by his house later. I haven't forgotten what you did. Oh, it's Chip. Okay, never mind. I'm sure he's cool with what we did. Guccio. I don't remember if I have made a voice. I probably did make a voice for him, but I don't remember what it is. I'm not really sure what to say. What happened to Jade was a terrible tragedy. I can't say I know how you're feeling. Jade's burial ended without incident. Caleb has been crying at her grave ever since. His poor little heart seems like it's about to break in two. If there's anything else I can do for you, just let me know, anytime. You gonna join my party again, buddy? Is there anything I can do for you? Just let me know, anytime. Is there anything anything else I can do for you? Just let me know, anytime. 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 What's this? Sheriff not wanted. After all, there's no crime. Well, when you put stuff like that up, there's gonna be crime. Where am I? The beach! I love the beach. It's just like Animal Crossing. And I don't know where the hell I'm going. I know I need to get to that one dude's home. Wherever the heck he is. Holy crap, look at that guy's nose. Haha! What are we, sea otters? Sorry, we're just practicing our comedy routine. What are we, a freak show? Seems better than, what are we, sea otters? Or no, maybe it doesn't. What are we, sea otters? Has more edge to it. You guys are messed up. Messed the fuck up. Alright, where are we going? Whose house is this? No problem here. I guess it's no problem here's house. Cuckoo. Guess pigeons are too stupid to talk, just like cows. Moo! Well, let's go. What in the hell is that? Oh, it's a house. I knew that. Of course I did. You think I didn't know what a house was? No problem here. No problem here. Yeah, again, he's the guy who has no shits to give about anything. Can I steal this? No problem here. Okay, I guess not. Thought it might have been a special little present in a red box, but no! It's just a box. It's nothing. Hey, little girl. I'm Nana! I like the ocean. Okay, Nana. That's what I call my grandmother. Huh. And a little girl named Nana. Huh. Whatever. I didn't think that was a name that people had. Whatever. What? Oh! Wait a minute, there's a ramp over there. Let me grab that present real quick. Fast forward if you must. I must get this present. Inside the present there was an edible mushroom. But you... Son of a bitch! Alright, let's go in my goods. Is there anything I can dump? Drop the nut. Maybe it'll grow into an amazing nut tree. Edible mushroom. I don't know what it's good for, but I'm sure it's useful. Now I need to go find that one dude's house, then I need to go talk to Caleb, crying at his mama's grave. I don't know which way any of this is. I really do not remember this town. Hey there! Is that kid in a rain suit? Angie, Mr. Cuscio! What's wrong? Why the long face? Come stop by our place. We're baking nut bread. Maybe I could beat the shit out of some people. Please cheer up, okay? I'm not sure what Jade wants. Too. Okay. Oh, aren't you the guy who taught me how to do crap? Gave me the map and stuff? Yeah, he's Mapson. If you need something from the map-loving and map-owning Mapson, I must be a map. It must be a map, yes? That's not what you need? Oh, Alex and Caleb. I believe they are at Sunset Cemetery, north of the village. Your map has been marked. So I need to talk to Mapson to get my map marked so I know where the hell I'm going. This game is good and it's awesome, but sometimes it's just messed up. What the heck? Why do I have to do that? Why would I have to do that? Whatever. Where's that one dude's house? He said to stop by his house and pick up the Drago tooth thing. Wherever the hell whatever. Let me see. Where am I going? Well, it'd be nice if the houses, like, had names over them or something. I guess I should just go to the cemetery? Actually, there's only 3 homes over there, and I know the one at the bottom there is my house, so... Let's just go check out these houses real quick. Yeah, this whole episode's probably just gonna be me checking out houses. So... Oh, it's this dude. Oh, Kushio. It's truly hard to bear when young ones pass away first. Wes? Oh yes, Kushio. This is a useful item used in the thieves' arts. Take it with you. Huh? You can't hold any more stuff. Really getting tired of your shit, Kushio. Really getting tired of your shit. Drop another nut. Blah 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 blah. Receive Thunder Bomb. A Thunder Bomb? It won't stop you. I have an inkling of where you're off to. But your life's not the only one at risk here. Only Nippolite is getting up there in years. Don't make him dig another grave. I won't. Don't worry. I won't. I won't. Alright. Well, I ended up spending more time on this episode exploring and crap than doing anything productive inside the president with a peculiar... Son of a bitch! I need to throw some more of this shit away. Alright, let's just go visit those other 2 homes. And then... I guess I can end the episode there. And then I'll try to just start the episode in the cemetery or after I get the Drago tooth if I don't get it from any of... What the fuck? That parrot seems into watching this guy sleep. I'm Scamp. Something not right. Something's not right. Yeah, something not right. That's not even proper grammar, dude. Something's not right. Must be bad translation. Something is not right happening to this village. I can feel it. This guy just has awful grammar altogether. But that's just me talking to myself. Oh, Kushio, good of you to come. You weren't the one who taught me my cute little Mariana those unsavory words, were you? No, it wasn't me. No, it wasn't me. Fuck! Squawk, squawk! I'm not stuffed. I'm alive. Wait, talk again. I'm plenty alive, dagnabbit. Alright, what's back here? It's a candle thingy-nabobber. Hey, it's a teddy bear. Big old teddy bear. Mr. Barry. Alright, one more house to visit, then I will end this episode and we can go on with our day. Stray dog. Bow wow. I'm so happy you take the time to talk to stray dogs. I take the time to talk to just about any animal. Most of them have useful info. Because they're smarter than the people in this town. Seriously. Piggies! Wah, wah. I'm so sick of these stupid pigs around here. You might want to look in the mirror. You seriously may. Your racism is coming from a dark place in your heart. What kind of secret behind the scenes Mother 3 info would only pigs know about? I don't know, that's why I'm asking you! All I got is a racist and A guy who's telling me stuff about the game, breaking the fourth wall. Oink. I'm a pig, but I don't know any secret Mother 3 info that only pigs know. Okay, that makes me think there is some secret Mother 3 info that only pigs know. Oink oink. There's actually secret behind the scenes info about Mother 3 that only pigs know. So, we got some conflicting information here. So what pig knows? What pig knows is willing to tell me? What do you pigs know? Tell me. Tell me and I'll give you some friggin' nut bread. Oops, I'm drooling. I thought you guys said only no matter what he said. Cows are always only going moo. Shit. This episode is running way too long. We drool a lot, we do. To drool or not to drool, that is the question. Papa, save your game is what frogs say, right? Well, apparently these cows were smarter than the others. Okay, nobody's in this house. So no more time wasted. Thank you for watching, guys. I have let this episode run way over the limit. So, remember to like, comment, subscribe. Come back next time. And that pig is a friggin' racist. Let's just face it. Good night, guys. Later.